Hello, and usually I just upload stupid, boring videos of me just playing a video game. Today we're doing something different. I'm going to show you how to make a server of your own. Basically, if you're in like Arza, then you would click View Options, click Private Server Template, give it a second to load. And you'd click this to view your server once we do things. You'd have to copy some stuff. Anyway, go to Mix Project. And now the new project name is Illustrious Shrew. I think that's what it says. Anyway, so now it's basically the same thing, a different name. So you can edit it and do all you want. So we're in README MD. You want to click this dude up here. Just below Assets. This is where you'll get all your tank info. Reload, bullet size, tank size, all that stuff. If you scroll down far enough, I found it. This is where you input the upgrade mechanism. But currently, we only have 3 tiers to upgrade to. If you're trying to find where the other tiers are coded in, you can just type in DIER shift_3. Search files for tier 3. And then we have all this up. Server.js is where you want your things. So you want to go to here, then down to here. And basically do the same thing it did here. After tier 1, you type space, these 2 lines, which basically means just or. 2 lines means or, and this dot level, dang it, I still have caps. This dot level equals C dot here shift_4. And then that's basically the end of that. I'm not sure if we have a tier 4 though yet. Anyway, now we just scroll down to 1000 something. Camera overlays. Let's find that really quick. Here we go. And we have this. Set the upgrades tier 3. So this is pretty simple. You just copy, Control C, Enter, Control E. Make sure things are all nice, handy, like that. Because we want it to look good. If it doesn't look good, then what's the point? It doesn't look good for reading. Move this, put just everything that says tier 3, tier 4 in. And basically, after we have done that, we should have ourselves a new tier. Click on this if there's anything else down here. Yeah, we now have a tier 4. And clear that search and go back up to actually config.json. First off, Don't want team domination. Whatever. Team deathmatch. We want FFA. Free for all. Damn. FFA. And then something else we want to do is add this here. Quotation marks start caps here _3 and quotations colon space 50. I'm gonna have my next tier be at 50, comma, and we have that skill cap. Let's just set that to 1,000. Doesn't really matter. And skill cheat cap. You can set to whatever. I'm gonna set it to 50 so that we can test it easier. Since if you want to be able to get into the thing easy without having to go through an upgrade, without having any other tanks in the room, that's what you do. Is it in package? Alright, now I just have to find where on earth other thing went for room size. It's right here. In here. This is the downside to having a massive coding area. Here it is. I'm just blind, I guess. So you want, I'm gonna set it to 2,000. 2,000. Since that's somewhat reasonable to me, since I don't get that many players in anything I make, I don't need it to be too big. And this area, I don't really know how to work yet. Might make a video on that later. Now, if we go in here, there is a tank that is a hepta-trapper. Can't remember where it was. Might want to code that in. I have no idea where it is. So I just leave it. I'm gonna scroll up here a ways. We happen Spreadshot. Like Spreadshot. That's more. There's our Pentashot. I want to build another different one. Searching, I'm not sure how handy it can be for this sort of situation, but never tried it that much. Quadtrapper. Okay. I don't think we'll put that in since it looks like a test one, and usually if it's a test thing, it's advised not to use it that much until you've made sure the code's kind of safe to use. Since one time I did that, and now I currently do not have that server anymore, as everything broke. Might just be something I did wrong, you never know. Streamliner, we can actually make a level 4 for. Just copy the entire thing. Sounds weird, just control V-ing stuff, but it comes in extremely handy. Since now we have the entire export stream thing. Voice doing a weird thing there. Yeah, now we'll change this to stream 2 just for easy things. And what should we call it? That's the real question. Let's build it first. Copy and paste one of these, since this can also come in handy. Now, I'm going to want to put one of these bracket dudes here. Press enter. Control V it. This dude's way off. And here is where we'll have our main issue. I did an oopsie. I'll go here, press enter, and remove some tab. here is where you're going to fix this issue. You're going to put bracket, comma, space, bracket, comma. There should fix this now. Now, length, all of these are different lengths, so we're going to shorten this to 15, since it'll be behind the 17 dude. Now, instead of bullets, I want to try something. I put in E. And I remember there was a thing with these. Pretty sure it's like a little square dude. So I'm just gonna slowly work my way through typing in E for all these. Fairly certain we have a thing. I'll have to fix this. Now for a name. Can't really think of something now, so we'll just call it Stream Hive. We'll just call it a Stream Hive. Just to save some time. Because I have no idea how long this video is, and I kind of want it to be a shorter video, just giving some quick info. Since I'm pretty sure people don't exactly like to wait forever. So in order to add something, just tab exports stream upgrades underscore tier underscore 4 equals exports stream 2 and then semicolon. You always have to have the semicolon. Don't have a semicolon, that's bad. And enter, of course, just to make it look good. And now, if we go to this, I have some stuff saved, so I can just type in this. This is another person's server. You should go check him out. His YouTube channel is Mr.Corrupted. Not sure if he still has that. Not sure when the last time I checked was, but pretty sure that's still it. Anyway, if we remove the -5 with Illustrious Shrew, get to reload. Let's play and see what our thing looks like. Alright, looks like things are working. Hold this. You will notice it looks quite a lot different. Gun Streamliner. That's weird. Specifically said therefore equal config. Oh, dang it. I see where I did that there. I typed in tier 3 when I should have typed in tier 4. Alright, now of course this is going to close, so it updates itself. It is a tad annoying, I'm not sure how you can do that differently, but who cares. Now, if we go here, Stream Hive, yeah, here we go. really weird cruiser make-off. So if we press 7 to give us a bunch of reload and damage, also want some health and speed. I'm not exactly positive yet how to do some other stuff, but here is what Stream Hive looks like. We get tad overpowered, but this is what I coded in. Now we can have here 4 tanks as well. And we also have a big room to mess around in. The hardest part you'll probably find about coding in servers like this is inspiration, what to do. Like before doing this video, I had an idea to build a focused penta shot, where it's just a tad bit more focused. That's it. That's kind of not a very super great idea.